Before you begin, remove the service cover, wireless LAN module, keyboard, top cover, card reader board, battery, display bezel, and display panel. Remove all. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables under and around the display panel hinges for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the fan, base enclosure, and left display panel hinge. Guide the wireless antenna cable through the cutout in the base enclosure and remove it from the routing channel on the base enclosure. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel hinges to the display enclosure. Remove the four 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display panel hinges to the display enclosure. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel hinges to the display enclosure. Remove the display panel hinges from the alignment pins and retention clips on the display enclosure. Guide the wireless antenna and display panel cables through the display panel hinges and remove the display enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the display enclosure.